Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can watch stories on Instagram anonymously. So if you don't want a user to see that you viewed the story. So for doing this, just go to Safari, just write in Safari anonymously story view. So now just, for example, this one, just write in Instagram username user you want to view. So for example, Cristiano. And just tap on search. So now just choose chimney, just tap on verify, and now just wait until it will successfully load all of stories of this user. So here you can see that this user just adds two different stories, so you can also open it and view these two stories. So also you can register on this service, or you can view it without registration. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.